sklearn decomposition non-negative factorization. Description explain in detail non-negative matrix factorization. NMF is a dimensionality reduction technique that decomposes a non-negative matrix into two non-negative matrices. This technique is particularly useful when dealing with data where negative values are not meaningful, such as images, text, or gene expression data. NMF seeks to find paths-based representations of the data, where each component corresponds to a specific feature or aspect of the data. Inputs. Input 1 explain in detail X, a non-negative matrix of shape and samples. N features. Each row represents a data point, and each column represents a feature. N components, the number of components to extract. This parameter controls the desired level of dimensionality reduction. W, a non-negative matrix of shape and samples. N components. This matrix represents the coefficients of each data point in the basis defined by H. H, a non-negative matrix of shape and components. N features. This matrix represents the basis vectors or components. Steps. Step 1 explain in detail. NMF starts with an initial guess for the matrices W and H. It then iteratively updates these matrices using a multiplicative update rule, ensuring that all elements remain non-negative. This process continues until a convergence criterion is met, typically when the reconstruction error of the original data stabilizes. Metrics. Metric 1 explain in detail reconstruction error. This measures how well the NMF decomposition can reconstruct the original data. Lower reconstruction errors indicate better fit. Sparsity. NMF often leads to sparse solutions, where many elements in W and H are zero. This property can be desirable for interpretability. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1 explain in detail heat maps of W and H. This can help visualize the components and their contributions to the original data. Scatter plots of the components. This can help identify relationships between the components and visualize data clustering. N components, the number of components to extract. This controls the level of dimensionality reduction. Init, the initialization method for W and H. Options include random, NNDSVD, or a custom initialization matrix. Bootstrapping, resampling the data multiple times and performing NMF on each sample can provide estimates of uncertainty in the components. Bayesian NMF. This approach incorporates prior distributions over W and H, allowing for uncertainty quantification in the factorization. Initialization sensitivity. NMF can be sensitive to the initial values of W and H, potentially leading to different solutions and local optima. A user trying to analyze a complex dataset with high dimensionality, and the NMF algorithm might converge to suboptimal solutions depending on the initial guess. Try different initialization methods. Experiment with random, NNDSVD, or custom matrices to see if convergence improves. Multiple runs with different initializations. Run NMF multiple times with different initializations and select the solution with the best performance. Use a warm start. Provide a previously learned NMF solution as an initialization, which can be particularly useful for incremental learning or when dealing with related datasets. Computational cost. NMF can be computationally expensive, especially for large datasets with many components. A researcher analyzing a large-scale gene expression dataset with thousands of genes and samples. NMF with a high number of components might be computationally demanding. Reduce the number of components. Consider reducing the number of components to reduce computational time. Utilize efficient implementations. Explore efficient NMF implementations that leverage parallel computing or optimized libraries. Use a sparse representation. Employ sparse NMF variants that take advantage of sparsity in data to reduce computational complexity.